Let's see the details of it. Here you can see that this address, from this address, which is MetaMask wallet address, we have called the contract. That's the contract address that we have. Here you can check that this is the contract address that we have. And that's the detail. We have set mode and the cash price of this transaction. The other transaction that we have done from our D app there, and that also have a string mode, and that's also from the same address. So this is the detail of our each transaction. First transaction is of contract creation. We can see that also from this address we have created this smart contract. So this is the detail that we can see against each smart contract and against each address. Now let's move on. Okay, so you just made a web page that interacted with a real life Ethereum testnet on the internet, and on something many folks can say they have done. Okay, so we have just created a D app and it's connected with a smart contract. Okay, if you are trouble with the tutorial, you can try out example I provided. You can also